Tired of clicking those boring buttons to minimize or maximize windows? What if I tell you that there is another way to do that via keyboard shortcut? I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to minimize or maximize windows using keyboard shortcut. To minimize all the open windows on a Windows system, just press the Windows key and M, and all the windows will be minimized. Now to restore them, just press the Windows key Shift and M, and as you can see, the windows have been restored. Now, to minimize the windows that you are not currently working on, for example, currently I am working on the C drive. So to minimize the pictures folder which is at the back, all I have to do is press the Windows key plus Home, and pictures icon is gone. To maximize the length of this current window without increasing the breadth, all you have to do is press the Windows key, Shift and the upward arrow. And as you can see, the width is the same, however, the length is maximum. Now, to minimize this window again, just press the Windows key plus downward arrow, and it has been restored to its previous form. Just press the Windows key and downward arrow again, and it will be minimized. So these are the shortcuts that you can apply to maximize or minimize windows like a pro. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.